Hello everyone, my dear friends. How are you all? This is Ayush Jain and I welcome you all to Educata Accomplished Learning. Okay, so guys, I am starting with a new subject from now, which is called as heat transfer. We are going to start with the heat transfer subject, and it is a very interesting subject, if I tell you. And also, it is the very easy subject. The difficulty level is very much easy, and the questions are repeatedly asked every year from this particular subject. This is an important subject, you can say. Okay, now talking about what is the motto of our channel. Okay, because I am going to introduce my channel about what all content that you are going to get on my channel. Okay, so guys, you are going to get the quality, you are going to get the best quality content in both English language and Hindi language. Okay, my courses are present both in English language as well as in English Hindi language. Okay, and also one more thing, Hindi language. Okay, one more thing, these courses will be absolutely for free for the lifetime. Okay, these courses are lifetime free. Okay, I am not going to charge any single penny for my courses. They are always and they will always going to remain for free. Now, talking about what all will be covered. See, I will cover all the theory portion. Okay, and in between the theory portion I will also give you certain numericals, or you can say certain objective questions. Okay, in between the theory portion. Okay, and after that I will be covering all the what PYQs. Yes, PYQs, all the PYQs of gate will be covered. Okay, of only gate. Okay, not ESC, but you have to practice for ESC also from your end. Okay, so all the PYQs of gate will be covered in this. All the standard question. Okay, all the standard question, and that too topic wise. Gate questions also topic wise, and standard questions also topic wise. All of them will also be covered in this. Okay, you can say that in a particular subject you are going to get 400 to 500 questions. You are going to get 400 to 500 questions in a particular subject. Now, suppose that there are 15 subjects. 15 into 5, what is it? 75. Means you are going to solve 7,500 questions. And see, if you just solve these number of questions, is the selection guaranteed in gate? Yes, it is guaranteed. So guys, what you have to do, you just have to follow my lectures regularly and wisely. Okay, you just have to follow my lectures regularly and wisely. My lectures are available in both English language and Hindi language. So whichever language you are comfortable with, you can deal with that language. Okay, now this is basically an introduction lecture of heat transfer. In which I am going to tell you about the index. We are going to deal with the basic concept of heat transfer. We are going to deal with the steady state heat conduction. We are going to deal with the steady state conduction with internal heat generation. What is this internal heat generation? If we just talk about, and what is this steady state also? Steady state is what? Steady state is something where there is no variation with respect to time. No variation is taking place with respect to time. That condition is, we call it as a steady state. Okay, after that, internal heat generation. Suppose that you deposit certain amount in a bank. Okay, you just deposited certain amount in a bank. Suppose you just deposited 100 rupees in a bank. Okay, are those 100 rupees safely deposited over here? Okay, but if we just have to deposit 100 rupees over there, why don't we keep it at our home? Okay, because bank generates something that is known as interest. Okay, that is known as interest. So you can just replace this internal heat generation with interest also. You can just consider this internal heat generation as interest also. Okay, after that we are going to discuss about the heat transfer from extended surfaces, or which we call as fins. Okay, what are these fins? Okay, suppose that this is a wall. Okay, suppose that this is a wall and there is an extended surface, something like this, like you can consider it as a rod or a beam or any other thing. Okay, so this is known as extended surface or simply as fin. Okay, so we are going to discuss in detail about fins also. We are going to discuss in detail about the transient conditions of heat conduction also. And these all topics are categorized under what? These are what topics are categorized under the conduction. Leaving this one, leaving the first one. Okay, these all topics are basically of the conduction. After that, we are going to move to the second mode of heat transfer, which is basically convection. We are going to move towards convection. In convection, we are going to learn about forced convection and natural convection. What is forced convection? Suppose that this is a surface and simple air is passing. Okay, simple hot gas. Suppose this is a hot gas. Okay, this is hot gas. So simple hot gas is passing on that particular surface without use of any external medium. That is known as a free convection. Okay, or natural convection. And suppose that this is a surface, and what we are doing, we are just using an external source, and with the help of that external source we are passing a certain thing. We are passing air, or we are making transfer of heat through convection. That is known as what? That is known as forced convection. Okay, so I think that these two are clear to you. Now after that we will talk about heat exchangers. We will discuss in discuss in detail about the heat exchangers, and the last mode of heat transfer, which is the radiation. Okay, we will discuss about radiation also, and at last we are going to discuss about boiling and condensation also. Okay, so everything I can guarantee you that everything will be done in very much detailed manner. Okay, it will be a very much detailed course. Okay, very much detailed course. Okay, and will be a complete course also. First of all, you see that with all the p-values and everything is okay. So guys, I think that I should end this video over here also. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, because I am going to provide you each and everything at that too for absolutely free. Okay, yes, so you can just simply subscribe to my channel so that you can get regularly notified whenever I upload a new lesson or something else. And also I am having a telegram group. Okay, I am having a telegram group in which I have published just tremendous number of books. Okay, you can consider that all the books that are available on the web are present on that particular telegram channel. And in that telegram channel you will get a WhatsApp link also, so you can join that WhatsApp group. You can join me, and that group is I think there are 2 to 3 groups which I have created. So all those groups are completely aggregated. No spam or any other thing. Only talks about the educational contents. Okay, so there is a WhatsApp group also, you can join that. And let us end this let us end this video over here. Till then, see ya, take care, and bye bye.